Hi there, welcome to MechTechEdu. If you want to meet people online for different social, official, or educational requirement, you have tuned the correct video. In this video, you will get information about how to use Google Meet for meeting, video conferencing, and even for webinar for social, commercial, official, and educational requirements. So stay tuned and let's get started. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do the same. Currently, we are using non-Google software or apps for the same task. However, we have gone through the risk involved with these applications. Even advisory was issued by government for safe users of such applications. But now, solution is available from well-known, secure and trusted platform of Google. Earlier, it was available for Google App users only, but now this facility is even available for all the users of Gmail as well. Let's look at some of the special features of this application. It offers tiled layout for large calls. It gives high quality audio and video up to 30 fps, low light mode for mobile devices, and up to 100 participants can join in a meeting. To use this facility, you need Google account and supported web browser or Meet mobile application. So let's see the procedure. In order to start, you need to log into Gmail account. Then, as seen on the screen, go to the left panel, click on a start meeting if you want to be the host of the meeting as shown. In case you want to join meeting hosted by others, click on join a meeting. First, let's see how to arrange a meeting as a host. If you want to start a presentation, click on present. You can also refer your unique URL issued for the meeting, like meet.google.com/unique ID. That XXX refers to sample of your unique meeting code. After you click on present, you will be redirected to a prompt window. This offers sharing options such as Chrome tab, your entire screen or application window, and a checkbox for audio sharing. Select the desired option as seen from the preview in the window and click on share. Then you will get message like you are presenting to everyone, and detail at the center bottom of the screen about the sharing options selected by you as stated earlier, like here window has been shared. Once you finish the task, you can click on stop sharing, and to end the meeting, stop presenting. While presenting, you can also view other options like joining information, meeting URL, attachments, and disconnect option, along with help and settings. You can share the meeting URL or unique meeting code with the attendees. Attendees can join via two methods. First method, from browser. If attendees click on URL without Gmail login, they will see the screen as shown. After logging, as attendees need to click on ask to join. Second option is from Gmail window and with unique meeting code. Attendees need to click on join a meeting as shown, enter the shared code and click on join. The host will see the screen as shown. As a host, if admit or deny the attendees, after permission, attendees can see the shared screen with host details. All the attendees can view different other options like disconnect, mute, unmute microphone, and stop their video. All the attendees see the information about the joined and active people. Even chat option is also available, just like other app. If you want to change layout view or use full screen mode, need to click on three vertical dots located at bottom right corner of the window. Other audio, video and general settings are also available thereat. Here, video resolution is important. Send and receive video resolution can be set as per your requirement and data plan available with you. Like if you set higher resolution, it will improve video clarity but consumes more internet data. I hope the said information will help you to effectively use the Google Meet app. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like and share. For more such updates, don't forget to press bell icon below and kindly subscribe this channel also.